I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a test question on functions. We are given that f of x equals to x squared plus 2. Show that f of a times f of b minus f of ab minus 2 divided by f of a plus f of b minus 4 equals to 2. Now, what is f of a, what is f of b, and what is f of ab? Basically, we need to replace the value of x by a, b, or ab to get these functions, right? So, let us begin with what we need to prove, that is f of a times f of b minus f of ab minus 2 divided by f of a plus f of b minus 2, right? So let's start from here. F of a means replace x with a. So we get a squared plus 2. Do you see that? So that is f of a. We have to multiply that by f of b. So this gets multiplied by, replacing x with b, we get b squared plus 2, right? Then minus f of ab, replace x with ab. So that means a squared b squared plus 2, and that is all minus, and then we have minus 2. Do you get it? Divided by f of a, that means a squared plus 2 plus f of b plus b squared plus 2 minus 4. Now this can be written as, when you multiply them, you get a squared times b squared, 2a squared. Now with 2 you multiply, you get plus 2b squared. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 4. When you do this negative, when you get a squared b squared minus 2, and we already have minus 2 here, divided by a squared plus b squared. Since plus 2 minus 4 is 0. So we get a squared plus b squared. Now if you see the numerator, what you notice is that the numbers plus 4 minus 2 becomes 0. A squared minus b squared has been taken care of. So we are left with 2a squared plus 2b squared divided by a squared plus b squared, right? So you can take 2 common. We are left with a squared plus b squared divided by a squared plus b squared, and that gives us 2, which is required, right? Which is the right hand side. So we began with the left hand side, right? We started with left hand side and we landed in right hand side, which is the required expression, right? So we can say hence proved. I hope that helps. You feel free to share your comments, subscribe to my videos, and if you like, that'll be great. Thank you and all the best.